Plants, like all living things, need to breathe. They have a unique way of doing this which is quite different from animals. They take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen, a process essential for life on Earth. But how do they do this without any noses or lungs? The secret lies in their leaves. The answer lies in tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. These microscopic pores are vital for their survival. These stomata are like tiny mouths that can open and close, regulating the plant's gas exchange. They control the exchange of gases between the plant and the environment, ensuring the plant gets enough carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Stomata are crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants make their own food using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Dicot and monocot plants have some key differences in the structure and arrangement of their stomata, which affects how they manage gas exchange. Let's explore these differences in detail and understand how they impact the plant's overall health and growth. The distribution of stomata on a leaf is not random. Stomata are tiny openings on the leaf surface that allow for gas exchange, playing a crucial role in photosynthesis and transpiration. It depends on whether the plant is a dicot or a monocot. Dicots and monocots are two major groups of flowering plants, each with distinct characteristics. Dicot plants, like beans and roses, typically have more stomata on the lower surface of their leaves. This adaptation helps minimize water loss while still allowing for gas exchange. This is because the upper surface is exposed to direct sunlight, which can lead to excessive water loss through transpiration. By having fewer stomata on the upper surface, dicots reduce the risk of dehydration. Monocot plants, like grasses and lilies on the other hand, have stomata distributed more evenly on both surfaces of their leaves. This even distribution allows for efficient gas exchange regardless of leaf orientation. This is because their leaves are often held vertically, exposing both sides to sunlight. This vertical orientation ensures that both surfaces can participate in photosynthesis and transpiration effectively. If we observe stomata under a microscope, we can see their intricate structure. Stomata are tiny openings on the surface of leaves that play a crucial role in gas exchange. Each stoma is surrounded by two specialized cells called guard cells. These cells are essential for the regulation of the stoma's opening and closing. In dicot plants, the guard cells are kidney-shaped. This unique shape allows them to function efficiently in controlling the stoma. They control the opening and closing of the stoma by changing their shape. This process is vital for the plant's ability to take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. When the guard cells swell up with water, they become turgid and the stoma opens. This turgidity is a result of water entering the cells, causing them to expand. When they lose water, they become flaccid and the stoma closes. This mechanism helps the plant conserve water during dry conditions. Monocot plants have guard cells that are dumbbell-shaped. This shape is different from the kidney-shaped guard cells found in dicots. They function in a similar way to dicot guard cells, controlling the exchange of gases through the stoma. This gas exchange is essential for photosynthesis and respiration. The arrangement of stomata on the leaf surface also differs between dicots and monocots. This difference can affect the efficiency of gas exchange and water regulation. Dicot stomata are scattered randomly, which allows for a more even distribution of gas exchange across the leaf surface, while monocot stomata are often arranged in parallel rows. This arrangement can be more efficient for certain types of gas exchange and water regulation. Let's summarize the key differences between dicot and monocot stomata in a table. Featured dicot stomata, monocot, stomata guard cell shape, kidney-shaped, dumbbell-shaped stomatal distribution, mostly on lower surface, evenly on both surfaces, arrangement scattered in rows. The world of plants is full of fascinating adaptations. Stomata are just one example of how plants have evolved to survive and thrive in diverse environments. I encourage you to continue exploring the wonders of the microscopic world and learn more about the intricate workings of nature.